This is who we are. Individuals from different walks of life with varying identities, all unique. We live for the smiles and the laughter. We are constantly surrounded by beauty. We reach out and say, you are welcome here. Love is welcome here. Happiness is welcome here. With Unity Fest, we make a declaration that we will not tolerate hate. We affirm that every member of our community is important and matters. Our differences make us human. Our values unite us. Unity Fest is a celebration of our humanity. So we keep running towards love and light. We are living our best life. This is our home. This is our unity. Come to Unity Fest.